Hello everyone, on the behalf of Data Analytics Lab, an online training and offline training provider company Dehradun, I welcome you and I am Mukesh Kumar, the trainer of this course, and the course is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Programming. So I hope this course is for the graduates, the postgraduates and the research scholars in the computer science domain. And basically when we we think about this particular topic, machine learning and AI, it always, we as a learner, we as a layman, we always get confused at what to do and what not to do. If you are going in the YouTube channel, even we will very surprised that actually what is going on, means we are observing any video, but the thing is that we are not knowing actually that from where this basic is coming. So the main problem is that our foundation is not clear, so it will not be possible for us to understand all the concept that is working on the YouTube channel. Clear? So what I suggest that you just go with the journey with all the concept in the sequence order which we have to cover, and then finally we will become as a machine learning programmer or the artificial intelligence programmer. Clear? So in this video tutorial right now, I'll discuss the main step which we are going to follow in that same domain and which you all have to follow, so that at the last there will be the fruitful result and you will be able to say that yes, I am the machine learning programmer and I am the artificial intelligence programmer, yes, I am working in so and so project. So thing is that कि उस way में आपको study करना है machine learning को. But before that I request all my viewers to please subscribe my channel, so that whatsoever new updation will go on, that will be the notification will go on at your respective end. Clear? So please subscribe my channel, students. So that is Data Analytics Lab, and already my Python series that is parallelly going on in the same channel. So now starting with this one, first of all the basic question is that what is ML or AI? So ML और AI क्या है, उस वे को समझने के लिए I'll demonstrate with the image. But first of all, if I talk about the AI is what artificial intelligence that we all know. But AI is same like natural intelligence, our brain, human brain. So natural intelligence की तरह ही AI होता है, but AI has the artificial brain, artificial neuron होते हैं. And how they react, how they work in the same way like the human brain works, means on the basis of the past experience they are actually going to have something on the program. Same we have the ML, if what I observe that there is a confusion that ML क्या है और AI क्या है. Actually I can say one thing, that subset of AI is ML, means AI is a vast field, and in that field if we are working on a domain where data के base पे हम अपने system को expert बनाते हैं, so that can be possible by the machine learning only. So that is a kind of programming in which we can say that is the expert programming, which on the basis of their past experience, it generally make itself the experienced one. So we'll have one example on the screen, and the example is, just check these two images, without machine learning and with machine learning. So this is our traditional programming without machine learning. Means if I have given some instruction to the program will read and the program will perform on the same way. But the thing is that if some new situation comes to the program will not be able to find the solution of that. Why? Because only the specific instructions I have given to the program. So how the program is going to react then? So that program is not having the dynamic features. But on the other hand, we have the second image, and just find out, we have the user is giving the data to the computer, to this laptop. That means what? User ने उस program को एक data दिया है. And data देने का मतलब क्या है? Now this particular machine is able to judge or to get the solution of any problem without the interfere of the programmer. Programmer is not going to interfere on the program then. Once the programmer has made the program, the machine learning program especially, तो अब programmer को ये bother नहीं करना है कि क्या मेरा program हर condition पे work करेगा. It is not going to work. That means what? That means that data we have in the spoon we have given the data to this program, and then program will behave according to the data. Means on the basis of the data prediction, the program will work. I'll give you an example that maybe in the later on videos I'll upload. COVID-19, a hot topic right now in today's time. COVID-19 में if I'm going to make a machine learning program that my program is going to judge that right now today what is the condition of the total number of active cases, death cases कितने हैं, ये सब अभी मशीन है. लेकिन if I'm going to ask from the program that after 1 month and after 2 months what should be the condition, then my machine learning program is going to give me the correct answer, or we can say it will be 99% correct कि उस समय पे कितना होना चाहिए. तो prediction analysis होने वाला है इसमें. तो what we need, we have to give the data as a feed in the spoon to the program and then the work will be done. So I think ये बहुत interesting programming language है and topic है interesting. And programming language is basically what that it will be a part that how we are going to implement these concepts. So I'm going to use a Python series. मैं Python का यूज़ करूँगा, Python के थ्रू ही मैं मशीन लर्निंग के प्रोग्राम्स को इसमें यूज़ करना चाहूँगा. So but the main thing, the main question, yes, about the artificial intelligence that which learn from the data, a type of a computer science domain which learns from data and become more accurate in predicting the output without the interference of the human being. That's what I have discussed earlier right now. Clear? So that is what, that is the artificial intelligence, or I can say that is also a machine learning language. Why? Because artificial intelligence का एक सब part है machine learning. So I am talking about the machine learning indirectly. Clear? Now the example is, there are some more example of the machine learning programs, and the first one is the recommendation system. Recommendation engine, we never know this term, हम देखते भी नहीं है, but already we haven't observed कि recommendation engine क्या होता है, but we have used this one a lot. I'll give you one expression over there, just check it out. YouTube recommendation system. Once I log in very first time in the YouTube, what is my liking in the videos, मुझे किस टाइप की वीडियोस पसंद हैं, एनिमेशन, हॉरर, डिस्कवरीज अबाउट समथिंग न्यू थ्योरीज, साइंटिफिक थ्योरीज, कंप्यूटिंग थ्योरीज. तो उस वे में जो यूट्यूब का रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम है वो मेरी लाइकिंग्स को पहचानता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, दैट हाउ आई हैव यूज दिस यूट्यूब, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट इफ करंटली आई एम गोइंग टू लॉग इन माई यूट्यूब, देन इट विल गिव मी ऑल द रेटेड वीडियोज विच आई हैव लाइक्ड, और मे बी इन फ्यूचर आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक दिस वन. तो मेरी लाइकिंग के बेस पे मुझे वो वीडियोस को शो करेगा. दैट इज व्हाट एक्चुअली दिस रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम इन द यूट्यूब हैज़ बीन अडॉप्टिंग द मशीन लर्निंग अप्रोच ओवर देयर. तो मशीन लर्निंग के एल्गोरिथम्स यहाँ पे वर्क कर रहे हैं कि हाउ दिस ऑल वीडियोज कैन वर्क इन द सेम वे, हाउ दिस वीडियोज आर व्यूइंग ओवर द स्पेसिफिक यूजर ओनली. ये पॉसिबल कैसे है? तो यूट्यूब ने इसको 2017 में एक्सेप्ट किया अकॉर्डिंग टू माई रिसर्च, एंड देन यूट्यूब ने रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम को यूज़ किया. इवन Netflix, again the important topic, Netflix, the important machine learning का एक important example है Netflix. उसके बारे में भी मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा that how mathematically this works, this recommendation system works in the Netflix. And even I can say according to my research, in the recommendation system, the Netflix was the first company which has adopted this system कि आपकी वीडियोस के बेस पे आपकी लाइकिंग के अकॉर्डिंग ही आपको फ्यूचर में वो वीडियोस, उस टाइप की वीडियोस ही आपको अवेलेबल हो जाएंगी इन योर मेन्यू लिस्ट. So here we have the YouTube recommendation system, and yes, we have this Amazon, popular online shopping website. इस Amazon में क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? इस Amazon में you just find out when I'm going to search any product. Clear? मैंने सर्च किया. For example, I have searched a mobile phone, but even I have searched, but I haven't purchased over there. But later on, the machine learning program that is working inside the Amazon program, उसने ये चेक कर लिया कि ये पर्टिकुलर यूज़र इट हैज़ अ लाइकिंग अबाउट द मोबाइल फ़ोन, इसका इंटरेस्ट मोबाइल फ़ोन्स पर है. सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ द यूज़र इज गोइंग टू सर्व द इंटरनेट इन द वेब ब्राउजर, अगेन सम ऑफ द पॉपअप मैसेज विल कम ओवर देयर दैट दिस इज अ न्यू फोन हैविंग सो एंड सो फीचर्स. दैट इज व्हाट कि मशीन लर्निंग प्रोग्राम आपकी इंटरेस्ट को आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है और आपके इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ही आपको एड्स प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. दैट इज अगेन अ बेस्ट वे ऑफ यूजिंग द मशीन लर्निंग अप्रोच. क्लियर? दैट अगेन इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द मशीन लर्निंग. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द थिंग इज कि अब ये इतना हमने इंटरेस्टिंग सुन लिया मशीन लर्निंग के बारे में, लेकिन मशीन लर्निंग को पढ़ा कैसे जाएगा वो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. नाउ द थिंग इज दैट आई एम अकॉर्डिंग टू माई रिसर्च एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट आई हैव स्टडीड एंड व्हाट इज माई एक्सपीरियंस ओवर द मशीन लर्निंग, देयर आर 4 steps to become a successful machine learning professional, and I am going to discuss you these 4 steps one by one. First of all, we have learned the Python programming. So if I'm going to have the programming in machine learning using Python, तो Python ही मेरा एक फील्ड है, तो मैं Python के बेस पे आपको बताऊंगा that you must learn the programming language, and that programming language will be the Python. So here student, how to learn this language. Here we have what we have to learn first? We have to learn about the algorithm analysis. Means on the basis of what, how we are going to analyze the algorithm. इस पे भी मैं आपको एक वीडियो देने वाला हूँ कि एल्गोरिदम को आप एनालाइज कैसे करते हैं, हाउ द परफॉर्मेंस कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड ओवर देयर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द शॉर्टिंग एंड द सर्चिंग टेक्निक्स. वेरियस टेक्निक्स आर देयर, वेरियस शॉर्टिंग टेक्निक्स आर देयर. Insertion short, bubble short, selection short is there, heap short is there, quick short is there. Clear? And even we have the searching problem like the binary search, linear search, and then binary search tree, and then decision tree making, and these all are the sorting algorithms which also we should know while making the program, while learning this Python language. Next we have the, yes, the important one, the data structure. Data structure, here it is written C++, but the main thing is that इसको Python में study करें तो ज़्यादा better होगा. डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में बाइनरी ट्रीज, स्टैक एंड क्यूज क्या होता है, लिंक लिस्ट क्या होता है, एरेज, ऑपरेशंस एंड देन डेटा टाइप्स. तो ऑलरेडी माय पैरेलल वन मोर टॉपिक इज गोइंग ऑन एंड दैट इज द पाइथन वन. तो उसमें मैं डेटा स्ट्रक्चर को भी अपलोड करूंगा वेरी सून, सो यू कैन गो फ्रॉम देयर एंड आई विल गिव यू द लिंक दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सेस ओवर देयर. क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द पाइथन, learning the Python fundamentals. Next we have the, yes, that is the important one. You just subscribe my channel, you will get the notification about the Python fundamental that is going on parallelly in my same channel. Clear? So you can subscribe my channel. Next we have the step 2. Now step 2, just check it out, this image. Yes, we have this, what? We have these all the mathematical expressions. Linear algebra है ये, algebra का use किया गया है. That means what? I am talking about the mathematics. लेकिन mathematics का नाम सुन के sometime we generally scared कि क्या होने वाला है. एंड आई कैन से वन थिंग, आई कैन अश्योर यू वन थिंग कि बिना मैथमेटिक्स के मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हो ही नहीं सकती. बट द थिंग इज दैट हाउ मच वी हैव टू लर्न दिस मशीन, हाउ मच वी हैव टू लर्न दिस मैथमेटिक्स. नॉट टू वरी अबाउट दैट इफ डेटा एनालिटिक्स लैब इज हियर. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू सजेस्ट यू, आई विल डिस्कस ओनली दोज टॉपिक इन वेरी क्लियर वे which are applied over the machine learning. So I'm talking about the applied mathematics over there. But the main thing is that what are the suggested areas where we can, which we have to learn using the machine learning one, using the machine learning codes. And here we have the matrix. Yes, the important one, matrix. Matrix, arrangement of data in terms of row and column. कहाँ पे इसका यूज़ होता है? एरेज को डिज़ाइन करने में इसका यूज़ होता है. We can store the data over the rows and column. So data, ultimately we are working on data. बिकॉज डेटा के बेस पे प्रोग्राम मेरा एक्सपर्ट बनने वाला है. तो डेट मीन्स व्हाट, मैट्रिक्स का आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मैट्रिक्स का यूज़ हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस या मशीन लर्निंग में हम कैसे करने वाले हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, यस, कैलकुलस. देन वी हैव द प्रोबेबिलिटी. क्लियर? एंड देन एट द लास्ट वी हैव द स्टैट्स. तो स्टैट्स का तो यूज़ मिल नहीं होने वाला है बिकॉज डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक व्हाइल लर्निंग द मशीन लर्निंग कोर्स. सो हियर वी हैव द स्टेप नंबर 2. नाउ वी आर गोइंग मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द स्टेप नंबर 3 एंड दैट इज द डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन. यस, नाउ व्हाट इट इज? Data visualization, showing the information, showing the raw data into the meaningful form by having so and so visual formation like this one over the screen. Yes, if we are using the data visualization using the Python language, so here we have some tools which we want while using the data visualization. Python, Jupyter Notebook, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, GIT, SCI, Learn, and then NLTK. So these all are the modules which we are going to use in the data visualization. I'll discuss these one by one, not to worry about it, in the simpler way. And then after this one, then yes, finally we are in the step number 4, practical learning or practical applying the machine learning approach. So here we have the first one. We are going to start with the supervised and the unsupervised learning while starting with my practical scenario of the machine learning. सुपरवाइज और अनसुपरवाइज को हम कैटेगराइज करेंगे. उसके बाद then after learning these one, that how we can categorize these two technologies, here we have all the related algorithms of the machine learning. So here we have the linear regression, polynomial regression, logistic regression, multi-class classification, neural network for designing the artificial neurons, and support vector machine. Yes, SVM, k-mean clustering algorithms, prime component analysis, PCA, and anomaly detection, and my last one is the recommender system. So these all comes under the category of the supervised and the unsupervised learning, which we are going to cover in this video series. Last one is the recommender system, but soon my next video will be how the Netflix recommender system works in the program. Clear? So student, that is all about this one. And yes, after learning these all concepts after the course, then what will happen? What is the future work? Yes, our future work is you will be able to design the neural network in the deep learning, again one subset of artificial intelligence. Then you will have the improving the deep neural network यूजिंग द हाइपर पैरामीटर ट्यूनिंग करेंगे, रेगुलाइजेशन करेंगे एंड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन करेंगे. देन वी हैव द स्ट्रक्चरिंग द मशीन लर्निंग प्रोजेक्ट. यस, वी विल बी एबल टू मेक द प्रोजेक्ट, टू to have some projects in the machine learning. Then we have the convolutional neural network, which is recent right now in the today's era, and then we will have the sequence model. So student, in this way we are going to have this one. So here first we have the programming, second we have the mathematics, third we have the third we have the kind of artificial neural network. So that means what, practical one, and then फोर्थ वन वी हैव द डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन. तो इस वे में हम इसको समझने वाले हैं, एंड दैट विल बी द वे दैट हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई द मशीन लर्निंग कोर्स. सो हियर स्टूडेंट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ lot of enthusiasm I want from your side, lot of good comments I want from your side, so that will be a motivation for me that I should go in very much detail. And what I am going to have right now in this particular project, मैं जितना भी रिसर्च एरिया अभी चल रहा है, how much research is going on, yes, especially for the research scholar, how much research is going on in this particular one, क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं अभी मशीन लर्निंग पे, that I am going to discuss with you simultaneously in my upcoming YouTube channel. So thank you students, thank you, have a nice day.